Welcome again. Myself MD Tariq Anwar. I am working as an assistant professor in Mechanical Engineering Department at St. Andrews Institute of Technology and Management, Gurugram. Today I am going to discuss that is the problems related to branched pipe and equivalent pipe, or you can say pipes which are in series or pipes which are in parallel connection. Already discussed in the last video lecture series, that is the formula of series pipes, formula of branched pipe, that is pipes which are in parallel connection. So this is the video lecture number 23 on the subject fluid mechanics. Clear? So in this video I will discuss different problems, that is conventional problems generally which are asked in every exams. For example, the MDU exams, these types of problems has been asked for 15 to 20 marks. So read the question first. That is the first question on this topic. Three pipes are connected in series as shown in figure. The difference in water level between two tanks is 16 meter. If the friction factor for all pipe is same and given as F is equal to 0.02, find the discharge through the compound pipe neglecting minor losses. Already discussed in the last lecture, that is there are two types of losses, that is major losses and minor losses. So here you have to neglect minor losses. So see the diagram. I'll explain one by one. To focus on this diagram, tank A on the left side, tank B on the right side. Clear? It is connected, that is both the tanks are connected with the help of pipes, or you can say three different pipes which are in series connection. Clear? So I am giving the dimension, that is here also given in the question, that is L1 is equal to 400 meter, D1 that is diameter of pipe 1 is 0.4 meter, L2 is equal to 200 meter, D2 is equal to 0.2 meter, and L3 is equal to 300 meter, and D3 is equal to 0.3 meter, and difference between head, clear, given in the question, that is 16 meter. So you can assume one as a datum line, another one is Z2 for calculation purpose. So applying Bernoulli equation between B and A. Clear? So write down Bernoulli's equation, that is nothing but PA by W plus VA square upon 2G plus ZA plus is equal to PB by W plus VB square upon 2G plus ZB plus HL. This HL is nothing but head loss due to friction, or you can say major loss. So from the diagram it is clear, that is pressure pipe B in reservoir B and reservoir A is nothing but the atmospheric pressure. So this is the same, so it will be cancelled out. VB and VA is equal to 0 because porosity is not considerable, so it will also be cancelled out. So we will get as 16, that is height as A is equal to ZB is equal to 0, considering datum line. So ZB will become 0 plus HL. So we will get HL as 16. Clear? Head loss due to friction or major loss. You all know that for the series pipe or pipes which are in series connection, HL is given as HL is equal to HL1 plus HL2 plus HL3. So applying the formula here, FL1 Q1 square upon 12 D1 raised to 5 and so on. Here Q1 is equal to Q2 is equal to Q3 is equal to Q, because जितना डिस्चार्ज निकल रहा उतना डिस्चार्ज उधर पहुँच रहा. दिस इज द बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ pipes in series. So I am taking out common term, that is F is common and Q is common and 12 is common in all the term. So this is the common FQ square upon 12. Inside the bracket remaining part will be L1 upon D1 raised to 5 plus L2 upon D2 raised to 5 plus L3 upon D3 raised to 5. So after putting the value, that is L1, L2, L3, D1, D2, D3 in this equation, you will get the answer as Q is equal to 0.11 meter cube per second. And the question was asking to find the discharge. So this is the answer of this question. Now we will solve another question which is very important question, very conceptual question. So read the question first. I'll explain one by one each and everything. So here three wires A, B, C are connected by a pipe system as shown in the figure. I'll show the figure. Find the discharge into or from reservoir B and C. Here is the question is कि B से C में जा रहा है या कहाँ से मूव कर रहा है. क्लियर? सी द डायग्राम. डी से बी, बी से डी, डी से सी किस टाइप का फ्लो है, यू हैव टू फाइंड इट. क्लियर? सो फाइंड द डिस्चार्ज इनटू और फ्रॉम रिजर्वायर बी एंड सी. बी एंड सी में जा रहा है या बी एंड सी में, बी एंड सी से बी एंड सी में आ रहा है. दिस इज द क्वेश्चन. द फ्लो रेट फ्रॉम रिजर्वायर ए इज 60 लीटर पर सेकंड. ए रिजर्वायर इज विजिबल. सो ए रिजर्वायर से जो फ्लो हो रहा है वो इसका रेट क्या है, दैट इज द डिस्चार्ज. इट इज ऑल्सो रिप्रेजेंटेड एज लीटर पर सेकंड. सो 60 लीटर पर सेकंड. फाइंड द हाइट ऑफ वाटर लेवल इन रिजर्वायर सी. क्लियर? फ्रॉम ग्राउंड कितना हाइट पे वाटर लेवल है इन रिजर्वायर सी. Take friction factor F is equal to 0.024 for all pipes. F is common for all. So see the diagram. I'll explain the data given in this question. A is the datum head, or you can say water level head. This is 40 meter for reservoir A. For reservoir B, that is 38 meter. For reservoir C, not given. So you can give a name, that is HC. Reservoir height or water level height in C is HC. Here Q1 is given because A से flow हो रहा 60 लीटर पर सेकंड given है. So you can say this is Q1. L1 length of the pipe 1 is 1200 meter. D1 is 0.3 meter. L2 is B to D. Clear? I have shown arrow here because this is the final answer. So already shown. I'll solve this and explain. So wait for that. So L2 is equal to 600 meter. D2 is 0.2 meter. L3 is 800 meter and D3 is 0.3 meter. So apply Bernoulli's equation between A and D. See the diagram. A and D के बीच में हम क्या कर रहे हैं, Bernoulli's equation अप्लाई कर रहे हैं. You all know the Bernoulli's equation, that is PA by W plus VA square upon 2G plus ZA is equal to PD by W plus VD square upon 2G plus ZD, ZZ plus HL1, because we are considering or naming as pipe 1. So I have written HL1. So I have marked a circle type of diagram, that is total energy at A and total energy at D. टोटल एनर्जी को हम किससे रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे, एच ए, क्लियर। टोटल एनर्जी एट डी को एच डी प्लस एच एल वन, एच ए इज गिवन, क्लियर, एच ए इज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन, दैट इज 40. So applying the formula, that is F1 L1 square L1 Q1 square upon 12 D1 raised to 5. So putting the value here, the Q1 value is given, that is 60 liter per second, so 60 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter cube per second whole square, clear. So we will get the value HD as 36.44 meter. This is the height of the reservoir, or you can say at point D, total energy at point D. Now applying Bernoulli's equation between B and D, clear. B and D, B कहाँ पे था, right top. You can check the diagram, I'll showing B and D, clear. This is B, this is D. So you will get as HB is equal to HD plus HL2, क्लियर। HB का वैल्यू कितना होगा, HD plus HL2, हेड लॉस इन द पाइप नंबर 2. तो पुटिंग द वैल्यू, HB वैल्यू इज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन, दैट 38. और बर्नौलीज इक्वेशन को जो टर्म्स है वो कैंसिल हो गए, क्योंकि बार बार हम उसको लिखने की नीड नहीं है, नो नीड टू राइट अगेन एंड अगेन. सो 38 इज इक्वल टू HD वैल्यू already found out, that is 36.44, and putting the value F2 L2 Q2 square upon 12 D raised to D2 raised to 5. So unknown क्या है यहाँ पे, Q2. So Q2 value you can find out with the help of these formula. Q2 value is 0.02039 meter cube per second, clear. Now Q3 क्या होगा, Q2 का वैल्यू कैसे पता चला कि, बिकॉज हेयर HB वैल्यू इज 38, सो वैल्यू इज लार्जर, मीन्स दैट B से फ्लो हो रहा है D की तरफ, क्योंकि HD का वैल्यू क्या है, कम है. तो इसीलिए मैंने एरो शो किया है इन द डायग्राम. सो फाइनली दीज आर द पाइप्स 1 and pipe 2. Fluid is flowing from pipe 1 and fluid is flowing from pipe 2. So combinedly, or you can say you can combine both the value, that is Q1 and Q2 will give you Q3. So it is nothing but Q3 is equal to 0.0804 meter cube per second. Now apply Bernoulli's equation between D and C, and point D and point C. So similar is the method here. So HD is equal to nothing but HC plus HL3, clear. Same concept. So HD value is known, that is 36.44. You have to find HC value. So HL3 क्या होगा, similarly F L3 into Q3 का स्क्वायर अपॉन 12 D3 raised to 5. So putting the value we will get as HC is equal to 32.2 meter, that is the less as compared to B. So concept will be clear, that is fluid is flowing from B to D, clear. Now we will solve last question on this topic, very important question. Also this is the question of a pipe in which pipe is branched into two pipes. Initially fluid is flowing in one pipe. क्या किया मैंने, उसको दो पाइप में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दिया. तो रीड द क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट. अ पाइप लाइन 0.3 मीटर डायमीटर एंड 3 किलोमीटर लेंथ. पाइप सप्लाई होता है, पानी वाटर सप्लाई के लिए क्या होता है, लंबे लंबे लेंथ पे रहते हैं. तो 3 किलोमीटर लेंथ कैरीज वाटर फ्रॉम P to R. कहाँ से, P to R तक जा रहा है, 3 किलोमीटर लेंथ है ये. द piezometric heads at P and R are 100 meter and 80 meter, क्लियर. तो VP and VR क्या होगा, सेम होगा, पाइप डायमीटर इज सेम. सो 100 and 80 meter piezometric head given in the question respectively. To increase the discharge A second pipe is added in parallel to the existing pipe from Q to R. Next point. First point क्या था? P to R. But here pipe is connected from Q to R. The length of the additional pipe is 2 km. Total pipe length was 3 km. But the new pipeline length is 2 km. Assuming friction factor F is equal to 0.04 for all pipes, find the percentage increase in discharge if the additional pipe has a diameter of 0.3 meter. Neglect minor losses. See the diagram here. Initially first case, that is P to R. This is the pipeline. Length is 3 km. So considering this is the case 1, before additional pipe has been joined to original pipe. So piezometric head is given, तो directly Bernoulli equation लगाएं नहीं लगाएं, directly you can write that is 100 minus 80 is equal to 20 is equal to HL. Other term will be cancelled out. So 20 is equal to FLQ square upon 12D raised to 5. So putting the value, we will get Q value, that is the Q1, case 1. So I have given the notation as Q1. Q1 is equal to 0.069 meter cube per second. Clear? Now see the diagram again, that is the second diagram. This is Q2. Discharge क्या हो रहा है? Q2 हो रहा है. P to Q 1 किलोमीटर लेंथ एंड Q to R क्या है? 2 किलोमीटर लेंथ. यहाँ पे दो पाइप में बट गया है Q to R. So this value will be Q2 by 2. See this diagram. This is the line diagram. Q2, P2 Q up to Q and Q to R. This will be Q2 by 2. क्योंकि दो पाइपलाइन में बटा है तो हम 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे. ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन इन द formula, that is Q by N. It depends on number of pipes. Clear? So here there are two pipelines, so Q2 by 2 and Q2 by 2. Length is given, that is 2 km. So apply the same formula here, that is these pipes are in series, P to Q and Q to R. So applying the series concept, that is HL is equal to piezometric head is equal to HL1 is equal to HL2. So here P to Q, so I have written HL PQ plus HL QR. Clear? So putting the value 20 is equal to F value is given 0.04, L value is 1000 meter, Q2 value it's not known, and 12 D raised to 5. D is given in the question, so putting the value here, plus 0.04 plus length of L2 कितना है? 2 किलोमीटर मीन्स 2000 मीटर, एंड Q का वैल्यू क्या है? Q2 by 2 का स्क्वायर अपॉन 12 इंटू D raised to 5. So after putting the value and solving, we will get the value as Q2 as 0.0986 meter cube per second. So what will be the percentage increase in flow? So this is the formula. Initially we are getting Q1 before branching the pipe, but after branching the pipe Q2 will be more. So percentage increase, that is Q2 minus Q1 upon Q1 into 100. I am not written here. So putting the value 0.0986 minus 0.069 upon 0.069 will give you the value as percentage increase in flow, that is 41.2%. Clear? So after joining additional pipeline in the original pipeline will give you increase in the discharge, that is 41.2%. क्या है? Increased discharge you will get. So I am closing my topic or finishing my topic here. In the next video lecture series I will start boundary layer theory and boundary layer concept and turbulent flow. Clear? So bye guys, thank you very much.